channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick video on a simple install. As you can see, I got the clear signal light lenses, and the thing I don't like about them is you can see through here, you can see my LED, and then it's pretty dingy, and when the humidity's high, it gets water droplets inside. So I went on eBay and picked up a new set, and here's the new set. These ones here you can't see through, they're kind of frosted. So anyway, I'm going to replace these old ones with these new ones. So anyway, there's two ways of doing this. You can remove the headlight and go down. I've seen people go down through the top, but I had it was a real pain trying to get these headlights aimed properly, so I don't want to bother them, so I'm going to go in through the bottom. In order to go through the bottom, you got to remove this splash panel, I think it's called. Anyway, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 10 millimeter bolts. Anyway, you just remove them. I'll remove them, I won't bother filming it. Okay guys, I got all nine of the bolts moved. So to remove this, just pull this back, pull it down. Now this one here, one of the previous owners cut it. For what reason, I have no idea. But anyway, you just, and then there's a clip up top here. You just pull down on that, and then you just pull this down a little bit, and then it'll pull right out. Then you have access to the signal light. Okay, now that we have access to the signal light, you'll see there's one up here. I don't know if I can get that on camera. Okay, so there's one screw up here. There's one here and one here for a total of 3. And as you can see, I got a resistor in there because I'm using an LED switchback. And so anyway, I got to remove them 3 screws. Three 7mm screws removed. I just got to remove the bulbs themselves. You have to just squeeze in. Pull the bulb out, and the little side marker one. They come right out quite easy. And I should be able to reach in, pull out the whole assembly. At least it should pull right out. Doesn't seem to want to. Okay guys, so I got the driver's side one in. Now it's not a huge difference, but it is an improvement, I think. Unfortunately, you can still see the LED right there, but not as bad as you could before. Anyway, I'll give you a comparison of the two. So while there's not a big difference, it is an improvement. And to get it in, I had to do a lot of wrestling to get the old one out and new one back in. Anyway, I'm going to do the other side, and if I have as much trouble with the other side, then I'll remove the headlight and show you how to do it down through the top. I think it's easier to take the headlight out and put it in through the top. Hey guys, so because the passenger side is such a struggle to get out, I decided to remove the headlight just so you guys can see the easiest way of doing it. So to remove the headlight's pretty simple. This bracket right here, in behind here, there's an 8mm bolt. Remove that. Okay, after you remove that 8mm bolt, you can remove this 10mm. Remove the whole bracket. Okay, now there's little tabs in the back. You gotta pull the headlight to the side. You have to pull the headlight this way to get them out of the tabs. I don't know if you can see the tabs are right. Tabs are right here. You gotta move them off them tabs, pull them out. Okay, once you get them out the tabs, you just kind of turn the headlight and then pull it forward. I have to remove the light. Okay, there. I'll just set the headlight over on the side here, and that gives us access to the signal light. It comes right out. Now from the bottom, I couldn't get this one. I got the driver's side one. I had to struggle with it. You can see this one's been getting water inside it, getting dirt and everything inside. Okay, so now we got the new lens. Just take it, slide it down in here. There, went in real easy from the top. I couldn't get it out from the bottom. And all you gotta do is just put your screws back in and put your lights back in, then you have to reinstall your headlight, and then you'll be done. Okay guys, so it's all back together. It's just a very minor improvement, but it is an improvement over what I had. And it wasn't that expensive. I probably got about $60 Canadian in it, which seems a little pricey, but that's just part of being Canadian. You have to pay extra for everything. Anyway guys, like I said, it's a pretty simple procedure. I did have to remove the headlight, unfortunately. I got the driver's side without removing the headlight, but it just took too long. It was a major struggle, so it would probably be best if you remove your headlight to do this. It's a lot quicker doing it that way. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I guess before we go, I'll give another little update on the stripes. They're looking pretty good now. I mean, there's a few flaws in them, but not too bad. Eventually I will remove them and get them put back on again by somebody who knows a little more. I might even, wouldn't surprise me if I'd even try it again, because I actually learned some stuff about doing it, because the back part I got pretty well perfect. They went on a lot easier. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.